Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Lego silicone molds is probably one of the most versatile and fun crafting tools you can add to your collection, allowing you to create unique Lego-themed treats, decorations, or even small DIY projects with ease, making them a fantastic choice for parties, gifts, or just a creative afternoon. Number 5. Let's Resin Silicone Mold Making Kit. Discover the Let's Resin Silicone Mold Making Kit, your ultimate solution for creating custom molds. This kit is designed for ease of use and exceptional results. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic, and odorless silicone, it offers superior flexibility and clarity. You can even add mica powder to achieve unique colors for your creations. With a simple 1-to-1 mix ratio, mixing and pouring are a breeze. Just combine part A and part B, stir thoroughly for about 5 minutes, and you're ready to go. It has a 5-minute working time at room temperature. Worried about bubbles? They disappear automatically within 2 hours, no vacuum needed. Achieve a full cure in just 4 hours, allowing for flexible and tear-resistant molds that capture intricate details. New to mold making? This kit is perfect for you. Enjoy a fun and creative experience with no special skills or tools required. Cleaning up spills is easy with soapy water or rubbing alcohol. Ideal for a wide range of art and craft projects, including DIY resin, wax, candle, and soap molds. Please note, it is not suitable for food molds or making squishies. Unleash your creativity with this versatile and user-friendly mold making kit. For any questions, feel free to reach out to us. What we like? This silicone is perfect for those who want to create detailed molds quickly. Its fast-curing formula and self-debubbling properties make it ideal for beginners and experienced crafters alike. If you're looking for a no-fuss way to make intricate resin or soap molds with excellent detail, this is the one for you. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, making it flexible and durable. The detailed design of the Lego bricks allows for realistic creations. These molds are easy to use and clean, saving time and effort. Number 4. Robot and Brick Silicone Molds for Chocolate. Introducing a fun and versatile set of silicone molds, perfect for all your sweet creations. Make bite-sized treats that are sure to impress. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these molds are both flexible and heat-resistant. They are built to last through countless molding adventures. Achieve a firm texture and a glossy finish with a few simple tricks. A little preparation goes a long way for professional-looking results. Beyond chocolates and candies, these molds are perfect for DIY projects like crayons or soaps. Let your imagination run wild with creative crafts and gifts. Bring a touch of creativity and festivity to your parties and family gatherings. These molds are designed to inspire delightful decorations and memorable moments. Enjoy a non-stick experience that makes unmolding a breeze. Cleanup is just as simple, so you can spend more time enjoying your delicious creations. What we like? This set offers a delightful way to create bite-sized treats in fun robot and brick shapes. Made from food-grade, heat-resistant silicone, it's perfect for baking, candy making, or even crafting crayons. If you love adding a playful touch to your desserts or enjoy DIY projects with kids, these molds are a fantastic choice. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, making it flexible and durable. The detailed design of the Lego bricks is accurately replicated in the finished product. These molds are versatile and can be used for various purposes, such as making chocolates, soaps, or candles. Number 3. FantasyBear Bricks Mold Robot Set. Introducing our versatile silicone mold set, perfect for creating fun shapes. Use it for cakes, candies, chocolates, and even ice cubes. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this mold is safe for all your culinary adventures. It's durable and can withstand a wide range of temperatures. From chocolates and soaps to cake decorations and party favors, the possibilities are limitless. Let your imagination run wild with these flexible molds. Enjoy effortless release of your creations thanks to the non-stick surface. It's also dishwasher and microwave safe for ultimate convenience. Add a touch of fun with our adorable robot shapes and a unique Death Star ice mold. Perfect for themed parties and gifts. We stand by the quality of our silicone molds. They are food grade, high quality, and designed for your satisfaction. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This mold is designed for endless creative possibilities, from chocolates and candies to soaps and ice cubes. Its sturdy yet flexible food-grade silicone can withstand a wide range of temperatures, making it safe for ovens, dishwashers, and freezers. If you're seeking a durable and versatile mold for various DIY projects and desserts, this is a great option. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is durable and flexible. The intricate details of the Lego bricks are perfectly replicated in the finished product. The molds are easy to clean and reuse, making them a great value for money. Number 2. INKU Chocolate Brick Candy Silicone Mold. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, this mold is designed for durability and repeated use. It's soft, foldable, and recyclable, ensuring a long service life for all your creative projects. Safely use it in your oven, microwave, dishwasher, or refrigerator. It can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +230 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for everything from ice molds to baked goods. Cleaning up is a breeze. This tray is designed for easy maintenance, whether you prefer hand washing or simply placing it in the dishwasher for a quick and friendly clean. Unleash your creativity with its multi-purpose design. Use it for chocolates, ice cubes, jellies, cakes, soaps, and so much more. The possibilities are truly endless. Engage your child's imagination and fine motor skills with fun, hands-on activities. It's a wonderful way to build their confidence while creating something special together. What we like. This silicone mold is a fantastic tool for both culinary creations and fostering children's creativity. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, it's safe for use in ovens, microwaves, and freezers, and is incredibly easy to clean. If you want to engage your child in fun, hands-on activities while making delicious treats or crafts, this mold is an excellent choice. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is flexible and durable. The details on the finished product are very sharp and clear. The mold is easy to use and clean, making it perfect for beginners. Number 1. Lego Brick Ice Tray and Candy Mold, Red. Introducing the Lego Brick Ice Tray and Candy Mold. Perfect for creating fun-shaped treats for any Lego enthusiast. This versatile mold isn't just for ice. You can also use it to make delicious candies, chocolates, or even colorful crayons. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, it's completely safe for all your culinary creations. It's freezer-safe, making it ideal for chilling drinks. Plus, it's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for baking fun. Enjoy the convenience of easy-to-use and easy-to-clean silicone. Get ready to build and enjoy. What we like. This vibrant red mold is perfect for Lego enthusiasts looking to add a unique touch to their creations. Whether you're making ice, candy, chocolate, or even crayons, its 100% food-grade silicone construction ensures safety and durability. If you're a fan of building blocks and want to bring that theme to your kitchen or craft projects, this is the mold for you. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is durable and flexible. The Lego brick shapes are very detailed and realistic, making them perfect for cakes and other desserts. The molds are easy to use and clean, and they release the finished product without any sticking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.